Welcome, guys. No guest announcer today. My son's woke up in a bad mood this morning, so he didn't want to help out. But today is our last day before spring break, so um, the school has asked that we really push you guys to work hard these last 2 days. That really they wanted us to emphasize this all week, but I forgot, so sorry. But they really want you to work hard this week so you can take 2 weeks off. Our administration has been super supportive through this whole process, and I personally have been very impressed with everyone's concern with your mental health. Your mental health and my mental health as well. Like I said, I've been really impressed. Not every school system, not every principal, not everyone would is providing the amount of support that you're getting. I've heard from some of my colleagues at other schools, and their principal doesn't care about their mental health, things along those lines. So, that I think has nothing to do with our lesson today, but I think you should be thankful for the fact that you do go to such a school system that does care about you and your mental health and your well-being. So, that has nothing to do with today. Let me focus on what we're doing today. AP posted another review session for today. I posted the times on today's Canvas page. I don't have it right in front of me. I can't remember off the top of my head. But the topic is about rotation. So I would tune into that. It wouldn't surprise me if they pop up another one for tomorrow. AP Chem has one Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so it wouldn't surprise me if they model that same thing for physics. So I really do want to take advantage of the resources that AP is giving us. So expect for me to try to find ways to tie points to these review sessions. I think it's something that could be beneficial. But with that being said, I want to get some feedback from you guys after this first round. If you feel like it's truly not worth your time, then we'll find some other way to review. I feel like it has to be high quality though. So just kind of keep grinding, keep working. Hopefully you can get that 2 week break. If you need me, please feel free to reach out at any time. Whether it's school related or not. If you need something, I'm here. So don't hesitate to reach out. My phone will still be connected to Canvas and all that kind of stuff. And in that second week, I'll be working. I'm on the clock, so you can for sure reach out to me anytime, week after next. But again, my hope is that you'll spend a little bit of time reviewing for the exam today, maybe, and then walk away and kind of recharge, refresh, and then we'll figure out this after spring break battle when the time comes. So have a great day, have a great break, be safe, be smart, make good choices, put yourselves in good situations.